Hello, when working through these tutorials, you will see how the basic credit management process provides a comprehensive overview of the management of customer creditworthiness and payment behaviors through the completion of multiple sequential steps. The process starts when a credit controller enters a credit limit for new or existing customers. Then a sales order entry clerk enters a sales order for the customer. The credit check is automatically executed by the system. If the credit check returns a negative result, the sales order is automatically blocked. The credit controller reviews and releases the credit-blocked sales order. The business benefits of this process are to reduce risk of bad debt, focus on reliable and profitable customers, check creditworthiness quickly, and accelerate the process of checking a customer credit limit. The key process flows covered in the tutorials for this process are to enter credit limit for new customers, edit credit limit for existing customers, enter sales order, check exposure against credit limit, and manage blocked orders. You can explore the tutorials at your own pace to learn more about each step.